back to Lara's Kitchen. I said that it's going to be a series of utensils I'm using. So these ones are little coolers, party cooler. If you watch my last episode, you will see where I put the food warmer. That one is another food warmer, but this one also is a little cooler and it's also a food warmer. So I'm just going to show you what is inside. Okay, so this is 3 sets of cooler. 3 sets. One, we have the big, the medium size, and we have the large size. The reason is this. Let me just open and you will see this. So this how it's this. There's a cooler. It's very good for our soups, our powdered yam, and pepper soup, all soups anyway. It's very good. But for the food warmer, you just on your light under. But this one is good for soups and all stuff. You see how beautiful it is. I have 3 sets. Summer is set for food. I cook, I deliver in parties, in dedications, marriage, and all sorts is this.